Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix messages fail to load, try again, or messages fail to load, or Discord messages won't load problem. So without wasting time, let's jump to the fixes. Now before following the fix, let me tell you that first check the Discord server status. You can check the discordstatus.com. This is the official website, or you can also check the down detector website. So when you go to discordstatus.com website, you scroll down, and on March 9, 2026, they have been facing the issues sending and receiving messages, and the messages won't load problem in the Discord. And if you see the Dawn Detector website, you can see that on March 9, 2026, many users have reported the problem. So basically this error is not from your side. This error is due to their server issues. So you have to just wait for the server status to get back online, and then you can check. This error will get fixed automatically once their server status get back online. But in case if their server status is online and if you're still getting this error, then you can connect to a VPN. You can connect to a VPN such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, Kaspersky VPN, Cloudflare, etc. You can download the free version of this VPN from the internet, and then you can connect to a different location than your current location, and then try to load messages or send messages in Discord, and I hope the problem will get solved. So basically this issue occurs due to their server issues. If their server experience any downtime or having outage or under maintenance, then you may get this messages fail to load error in the Discord. So you have to wait for Discord team to fix this problem from their side, and then you can check back later. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.